In front of me is HUAWEI Y6 from 2019, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. Okay, so I am connected to mine, and then open the settings. Here you should go to accounts, and as you can see currently we are logged in with Google account, so smoothly open this account, and by tapping on remove you can delete the current account. Tap on remove to delete it, and as you can see it's no longer connected with your HUAWEI. Let's go back, and now if you would like to add Google account, smoothly open the settings, go to the accounts again, click on add account and select Google. Now give your device a short while to check all the info. And now enter your email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your Google account. And tap on confirmation mark. Then enter your password, so let me do it off the screen. Here it is, and tap on next. And here you've got all Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, tap on I agree. As you can see, backup to Google Drive is active. Smoothly click on accept to confirm your selection of these Google services. And that's it, you've just connected this device with your Google account. Congrats! Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.